Hi everyone, this is the Air Rifle Activities channel, and today I'm going to make a review of the latest series of laser rangefinders by Hawke Sport Optics, the Endurance. You already saw what the box looks like, so I'll get straight to it. This is the unit itself. This is what it looks like. As you can see, this is the 1000 meter version. It also comes in a 700 meter version and 1500 meters version. Six times magnification, as you can tell. This is the battery compartment. It comes with a hand strap. It also comes with the CR2 battery that I already installed. A lens cloth, of course. Some instructions. And let me just open to the first page. These are the languages that the instruction comes in. Okay. And also something that I think is a very nice touch. There is a carry case, and it's made out of neoprene. I think it's a very good solution. It also has this carabiner, fully functional, of course. You can put it on your belt as well. Something else I forgot to mention about the hand strap. Look at this. You can put it on both sides. A very nice solution. The eyepiece for diopter adjustment moves smoothly. It's quite okay. And here is the battery compartment. Rotates nice and easy. You don't even need a coin or something of the sort, some tool to unscrew it and screw it back in. Now, dimensions. Manufacturer says that the length is 97 millimeters or 3.8 inches. Let's see. I'd say that is correct. And it is supposed to be 35 millimeters wide. That's 1.4 inches. Let's measure it. Let's just adjust it. I think that's correct. Also, I'd even say it's probably 34 millimeters. So, and width, it's 74 millimeters, 2.9 inches. Let's see about that. I'd say that is correct as well. So let's check also the weight of the unit. The Hawke website says it's 141 grams, but oddly enough the box says it's 170 grams, 6 ounces. Let's see about that. I'm not even going to remove the hand strap. I'll measure it with it. Let's see. 163 grams. There may be a slight deviation because this is just an ordinary kitchen scale. I would also like to say a few words about the coating of this device. And in the very beginning, I'm going to let you know that I like it a lot. It is not soft rubber coating. No, it is sort of a hard plastic, and I think that this is a very good solution because I've had rangefinders like the Nikon, which is a very good piece of equipment, but it has a soft rubber coating, and in my experience all kinds of fluff and particles in the field, they just stick to it, and it gets dirty over time. This one is different. It is still soft to the touch. It provides a nice grip. It is high quality, you can tell, and it's not going to attract any particles, any dirt that will stick to it. So it's a very nice solution on part of Hawke. Now let me say a few words about the specifications of this device and why I chose it. Its range-finding capabilities include several modes: distance, horizontal distance, rain, hunt, and angle. It also has an OLED display, or you might also say that it has an illuminated reticle in red, and it has 6 levels of illumination, which is a very good feature in my opinion. It also turns off automatically after 15 seconds of no operation. I think most range finders have this feature. The reason is to save power, of course. I will also take the time to say a few words to describe the different modes. The standard mode requires no in-depth explanation. It just measures the straight line distance to a target. The rain mode, it measures the straight line distance as well, but it ignores the interference from falling raindrops. A very good feature. You should bear in mind that in this mode the distance to the target must be more than 30 meters or 33 yards. In hunting mode, the device measures the straight line distance to the target, but it ignores any interferences from for instance, brushes or long grass or twigs, and that's why this is the mode ideal for hunting. For instance, big game, walking through long grass or woodland. Then it's the horizontal distance mode, or the so-called HD mode. I have to admit that this is the primary reason because of which I purchased this device. I wanted it to measure this horizontal distance so that I don't have to create any very complicated shooting cards when I shoot at an angle, because you know that in my pest control sessions I shoot at birds, and usually very often the angle is 30 even to 40 degrees when I'm shooting at birds perching on grain bins. And another very useful feature is that on this device, on the display, the horizontal distance mode and the straight line distance, both readings are shown simultaneously. And this is something very useful. On most devices you should switch between modes to have these two. The angle mode, it measures to the nearest tenth of a degree, and you should also note that you can aim uphill or downhill. When you're aiming downhill, there is a minus symbol that appears to the left of the angle display. It's also a very useful feature. When it comes to units of measurement, it measures in both meters or yards. They can be easily switched by holding the mode button for 3 seconds. On the side of the box you can find some additional specifications when it comes to the device and its optics. Yes, we already checked the weight here, and the eye relief is 0.7 inches or 80 millimeters, ranges 1000 meters or 1094 yards. Field of view at 1000 yards or meters is respectively 420 feet or 140 meters. The magnification of the rangefinder is 6 times. and the objective diameter is 21 millimeters. On the other side of the box you can have an initial look at the reticle or the OLED display of the device. There it is. My experience so far shows that probably the best level of illumination is 4. I'll remind you that it's 1 to 6. 4 is good enough, all the symbols and digits are bright enough, and it also preserves energy like this. It's clearly visible in broad daylight, and of course much better in dusk twilight or even at night. And now I will attach a camera mount to it, and I will include some camera footage of the reticle. Be right back, guys. Well, that was the Hawke Endurance 1000 meters laser rangefinder, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. I'm very happy with this device so far. Thanks for watching and see you soon again.